Sinihara is an advertising firm. It's an advertising corporation. Initially, we do food and product photography. Yun yung aming talagang specialization. But now, na nagta-transition yung market from stills, from static images, nagta-transition yung market to video. So, nag-a-adapt din lang. So, parang gano'n lang. So yun. So, basically, we do podcasts as well. We do podcasts with our partner companies. So, one is PLSME. And then, gumagawa rin kami ng mga channels, gumagawa rin kami ng mga reels, especially food. They were not introducing something new. So, it's been there, marketing is there, advertising, and kumbaga, photography video is there ng mahabang panahon na. So, ngayon, actually, ang ginagawa namin is we go back, yun yung ginagawa namin eh. So, we go back to the roots of photography and video. So, yun ang difference I think na siniharala. So, we can tell the story behind, for example, pag-uusapan natin is food. We can tell the story behind paano ginawa and ano yung quality ng food by taking pictures of it. But not only taking pictures of it only.